Hey everybody, it's Samsung Sterling, or whatever your name is. Alright, bye, have a great time. Well, bye. I have a different channel now. It's called, I forgot its name, let me check. Super 9 the Boss. And here's our provider. You should know him. He's the owner of a different channel.
Yee. Alright, you only have 15. Oh. You only have 15 minutes. So
we only have 15 minutes, so...
Yeah, it's kind of stupid.
Yeah, we hate it, so...
Where's the...
Okay, everybody, so this is what we're gonna play today.
So
guys, we're gonna play some Baldi SpaceX.
Alright, the timer is going to slow. I still think it shows face cam in that, even though it doesn't.
So, you guys... So, we're gonna be playing this. Play SpaceX story mode. Look at this, guys. This is Baldi.
Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math.
Not quite.
Questions correctly, and you might get something special.
I really don't. Shit. Baldi.
You need to collect 2 notebooks before you can use these doors.
Where's he? Oh, hell nah. Run. Are we going? Get over. It should be right there. Wait. Hey. God damn.
Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education.
That did not just happen. Okay, how about we try this again? But infinite mode. Offer connect. Wait. What's that? There must be someone pulled up here. So guys, there's someone only I can see. Can I be in the computer? Okay, so we're back in Baldi. So okay, and this mode. I scored 2 notebooks. Yeah, I suck at this game, so yeah.
Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject.
What the hell? Wait, it's -3. Yeah, I'm gonna die.
Hello. Hip hip cheerio.
I'll be right back. Sorry guys, I had to ask my mom a quick question.
Definitely stop.
So,
12 plus.
where are you,
You
you
got the
stupid Baldi
absolute
guy?
cheapest of all of them.
Boo! Wait a minute. Okay, no escaping the time. Alright, I'm gonna go faculty. Where's Baldi? You
You
guys
need to
can't
collect
get me.
2 notebooks before you
Right?
can use these doors.
Hi, Felicia.
You need to collect 2 notebooks
Maybe.
before you
How
can
about how about we play a game? Okay. I have a quick announcement. My YouTube channel is getting really small. Like, a first starting YouTube channel, me. Like, barely on top of them. I barely have any subscribers. In this channel, I have 0, so I'm like down there. So, anyways, please, any haters, just please don't comment, dislike my videos. I really want that bronze play button, Sorry about my speaking issue. I'm trying my best here. It's not that hard. I mean, it's hard to speak sometimes. Just excuse it, so just try my best.
They're saying down to 80 this weekend, though.
Oh.
So I will 100% go with that.
Okay. Continue. Oh, guys, this is gonna take longer than I expected. Excuse my haircuts. I'm trying not to make a problem. My brother said. Sorry, guys. Sorry about that weird this. I'm trying. Like, right when I was scratching my ear, it paused out. Sorry about that. Oh, anyways, guys. If I'm looking like that way. Okay, just let's say the computer screen. So right now I'm actually going to the left. Now I'm going to the right. So it just depends which. Like, these are. Could you even tell which one is my left? My left hand.
You, but I could sure go for a beer right
It's
about
this
now.
one. Right. This is my right. This is my left. It's really confusing. I don't know what the heck's going on. My mic's here. Well, for me. For you, it's. Wait, no. My mic's here for me. Here for you. Here for me. Screw it. Let's just stop doing that. Here. Oh, cancel. Okay. Which game should we play? Pizza Factory. Of course. Tycoon. Open Roblox. Yeah! Shift. Okay, now we can walk like a face. I'm a factory owner! Okay, stop with the weird stuff. Let's get up to business. Suspend. Oh. It's a soft pizza. What the? Wait. Okay. There's a real pizza. Not, dude, that's not you. Safety. Yeah! Sorry, just my season's hurt. Thank you. What? Get it? Sorry about that, guy. I have a wicked sneeze. My sneeze is unbearable. I'm gonna tell you that. Alright, so how much cash is you gonna get me? Woohoo! Sorry about that, guys. Which one? Like, no way out of here. We'll have a move. Thank you. My bad, guys. You know I told you. I guess. So. It's time for me to eat dinner, so I have to. Hold on! So, we're gonna have to stop here. So, so please subscribe. I say about 5 subscribers or 5 likes. Let's go for the dirt like button. That's 5 likes. Come on, guys. Don't fail me. I want at least 5. 5 stinking likes. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 likes. Please. So, bye. Bye bye. Have a good time.